First, locate the Fax from iPhone app on your device. If you don't have it installed, simply download it from the App Store. Once you open the app, you will see the main interface. Give it a moment to load completely. Now, select the recipient's region and enter their fax number. This is important. Make sure you add the number before sending. Next, you can add a cover page if needed. Tap on it, fill in the required information, choose an appropriate subject line for your fax. After that, tap Done to proceed. Now it's time to attach your document. You'll see multiple options here. You can choose from your photo gallery, files, or other sources. I'm selecting an image from my gallery as an example. Once your document is attached, review everything one more time. Then tap Fax Now at the bottom of the screen. And that's it. Your fax will be sent from your iPhone instantly. Just remember to double check that recipient number. That's how you send a fax using your iPhone. Quick, simple, and professional.